Say it right. Mastering formal English in written communication. Hello, dear learners. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we'll be diving deep into a very important aspect of written communication, which is using the appropriate tone and language. Our focus will be on avoiding slang and informal expressions in our writing, especially when it comes to formal greetings. So, let's get started. Formal language plays a significant role in professional and academic settings. Using it correctly establishes respect, keeps communication clear, and gives an impression of seriousness and professionalism. When we use slang or informal expressions, we risk muddying our message or appearing disrespectful, especially in a formal context. To avoid slang and informal expressions, we first need to know what they are. Slang is a type of language consisting of words and phrases that are regarded as very informal. They are more common in speech than writing and are typically restricted to a particular context or group of people. Phrases like hang out, cool, or gotta are examples of slang. Informal expressions, on the other hand, are phrases that are used in casual communication. For instance, using hi instead of hello or see ya instead of goodbye. To make our written communication more formal, we need to replace slang and informal expressions with their formal counterparts. For example, instead of writing wanna, we should write want to, and instead of pics, we should write pictures or photos. When it comes to greetings, instead of saying hey there, we might choose to write dear sir, madam, or to whom it may concern, depending on the situation. The best way to learn is by doing. Let's try to rewrite the following sentences in a formal tone. 1. Hey, got your email. Here's what I think. 2. Yo, are we still on for the meeting? For the first sentence, we could write, Dear recipient's name, thank you for your email. Here are my thoughts. For the second sentence, a more formal version could be, Dear recipient's name, I wanted to confirm if our meeting is still scheduled. And that wraps up our lesson on avoiding slang and informal expressions in formal written communication. Always remember, using appropriate and formal language helps to keep your message clear and shows respect to the recipient. With practice, you'll soon master the art of formal communication. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep learning, and see you in our next lesson.